July 23rd, Memphis, under Poplar. We have a storm approaching. Uh, Here in the early morning hours. It was funny, I was surprised I slept so well. And the reason I slept so well is that the air turned real cold here. I mean, for Memphis. Yeah, cold is probably about 90 degrees. We're going through a heat wave here, so it's like days are 110 and nights are like 85. There's no water, so water and shower is a problem. But one solution I found for that is the frequent showers that seem to roll on in and roll on through here. Catch as catch can. So 3:30, I was awoken by thunder 10 minutes ago, and it seems to be that I hope a shower is about to roll on through here. And if it is, I'm hoping to get a shower or some kind of baptismal out of it. It seems like the lightning here is getting brighter and closer. No thunder with this. Although there doesn't seem to be, from my perspective, any clouds in the sky. But I'm hoping here that we got a morning shower ahead of us and can somehow get water on our body so we can at least appear somewhat human the next day or so. The weather here has been atrocious, hot and muggy, and just awful. And there's been no relief as far as water is concerned. It's all to the religious shelters, and they are like every other city I've been in, extremely tight with it, and extremely stingy with it, and extremely, it's just sad. But, so that's that. And as far as public water, other cities have had, public parks with water fountains and splash pads and things like that. No, it seems like Memphis has pulled them, so that's kind of nice from at least my exploration here in the city. That's what's happened. So we're waiting on a shower here. It's about 3:45 in the morning, July 23rd here in Memphis. And as you can see, it's approaching. I hope it's not heat lightning. I hope it's like storm lightning. And in the hopes of putting my butt in water and prepping for a new day here in the South.